But check it out. And I was waiting in the darkness of the afternoon. Darkness of the afternoon. They told him, you know, they tell me there's one born every minute. Heat of the afternoon. And I was waiting for someone like you to come along, turn me on, turn him on.
Once again, we're on the way again to Fulton Street in Fort Greene, Brooklyn.
The heat of the afternoon. I was waiting for someone like you, and they tell me there's one born every minute of every day. Ooh, I was waiting.
What can you say?
I would not go away.
And here we are on Fulton Street, ready to walk to our Chinese 99-cent store to get butane for our stove. All right.
You know how it is. 9 times out of 10. You put your foot.
Yeah, okay.
That's right. Don't play around.
You heard him. By a week's worth of
phone, I dress together, face to face, have a cup of coffee, on equal terms. That's right.
then it locks. You hold it
I
up.
didn't know that.
I didn't either.
Come on.
What?
Take it for a ride.
Let's go to the store now.
Yeah.
Wind up. You wind up.
Look, they built this building. Poof!
Wind up.
Blink your eyes and it's there.
Yeah.
Think about
I like those little restaurants that were there before. I wonder what they're gonna put in there now. Really expensive, fucking whatever it is. They got 1, 2.
How's your guys?
All right. 4,
Yeah,
5. There's 5 doors down there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doors.
in the darkness of the afternoon.
Yeah, we rented it out. Look, I wonder if they got any good garbage over there.
They tell me.
Come on, darling. The poor lady waiting out in the
Tell me
cold
there's
for the
one
construction
born
workers to come
every
to work.
minute. Standing in the heat of the afternoon. And I was waiting. I was waiting for someone like you to come along. Turn me on, turn him on. I was waiting in the heat of the afternoon. I was waiting for someone like you, and they tell me there's one born every minute of every day.
And we're here. Okay, I'm coming.
Wait. No, it's not going.
Oh, here.
Hooray, that's it.
How many are we gonna
That's
buy
what
this
we
time?
need.
3?
2. No.
Why not? We'll keep doing this every month? Alright. Actually,
A
like,
shower curtain?
yeah, for the door. Here, this one's kind of thick.
Yeah, you think so?
It's thicker than that.
Okay. Let me see the color.
It's got butterflies and flowers.
I see.
It's thicker than the other one. Yeah, that's what we need for the door.
Good. And now we're going to the supermarket.
And I want to try Family Dollar first.
Family Dollar,
And see if
okay.
I have my shampoo.
Family Dollar, it is.
Yes, I was very grateful to say thank you to the store owners for selling me the stuff that I need. Because without it,
We'd be lost, wouldn't we? Like, there's lots of things you could buy, like a car. Did you ever want to buy a car?
I was going to buy it because my girlfriend wanted one. I would have had a car, I would have got my license and everything. But she broke up with me, so I never got one. Alright.
Thank you.
Shampoo is to the right.
And you know how it is. You know how it is.
Seltzer Brew.
No, it's anti,
Anti-dandruff.
yeah, but it's got tar in it.
Got some shampoo.
Don't play around.
I'll write it down again. Coal tar.
And it's nice to meet.
Anything else we want to buy here?
Not really.
Telephone.
Soup or something?
Babe, come on.
No.
Have a couple.
Batteries, no candy. I'm not buying candy.
That's right. Some small cafe, some security space, not too far away. Tell me.
Now we're walking back
They like to make
to the supermarket where we shop for food, and then we're on the way back home to Newtown.
That's what I was looking for. Smile. Take you for a ride. But if you stick around, too,
And we're on our way home now.
you could wind up. You could wind up. You could wind up. You could end up. Well, I don't even think about it. No. Yeah, thanks a lot, buddy. Check it out! And I was waiting in the darkness of the afternoon. Darkness of the afternoon. They told him. You know, they tell me there's one born every minute. Standing in the heat of the afternoon, and I was waiting for someone like you to come along, turn me on, turn him on. I was waiting. In the heat of the afternoon, I was waiting for someone like you, and they tell me there's one born every minute of every day. Ooh, I was waiting. I would not go away. That's what I was looking for.
And this is the Brooklyn Queens Expressway overpass. We are arriving in Newtown Creek in the early afternoon. Yeah.
Talk about on the telephone. I'd rest it together, face. Come on,
Watch your step, babe.
cup of coffee, meet on equal terms. That's right. I'm some small cafe, some secluded place, not too far away. Tell me what time of day I'd like to make you smile. I'll show up, I'll be there. I can be in touch 24 hours a day. That's what I was looking for. I wanna make you smile. Take you for a ride. But if you stick around too long, you could wind up.
And we're home again at the creek.
Think about it. No.
See you next time.